Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're again on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a very mini haul of ASDA and Matalan. So that will be today's video. Before we get into the video, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff, which is if you do like any of the products or any of the items that I do show in this video, then please give it a massive thumbs up. If you like my content on my channel or any of our videos that you have seen, then please click the subscribe button up the top and come and join the little love family. If you want to see a new video that has been uploaded, the newest one that day, then click the notification bell because that will tell you when it's been uploaded. There's a clickable link on my main page for Instagram and Twitter. The last thing is that I am not sponsored by ASDA or Matalan or any of the products that I do show in this video. It is all out of my money and it's just an advice video for you guys to show you what they look like and explain a little bit more, tell you about any deals. I hope that you enjoy the video, so let's get on into the ASDA and Matalan haul. I'm going to start with Matalan today, and the first item I got was this. My mum did a order on Matalan and she wanted to get up to the price getting postage and packaging free. So I said, I had a look at this and I thought, oh, this is quite nice. Reminds me of my New Look one that I've kind of fitted out of in a way. She was going to order a coat. I think she ordered 2 tops and a little phone case. I wanted the phone case because it had little beads on it. It was so cute and it was in the sale. I never had it before a iPhone Max Plus one, so I was pretty gutted. But she got it anyway. It's really cute. I wanted to like basically bump it up so she could get that post and packaging free. Unfortunately, when the order was going through, the main item of the coat was cancelled. They obviously sold out when we ordered it at the time. They must have took it in, but obviously as they were going through the orders, first come first serve in this pandemic. I looked at this little skirt and I thought this was absolutely lovely. I love the detail. It's got 2 little pockets on it. It's just this faux leather skirt. It's quite soft, quite thin, which is quite nice. I got this in a size 12 and it's from the Papaya range, Papaya Woman. This was originally £14, but I actually got it in the sale for £7. So it was originally 14 and I got it for 7, which I thought was really nice skirt. To be fair, Matalan stuff is really nice. You got the little zip on the side, really lovely. For £7, I thought that was quite a little bit of a bargain. I quite like these in the winter time. Just put in some tights on, some boots. You can go out in these as well. So it's very nice, very versatile. And I will do a little clip of that now. This is the leather skirt. I just got it with a jumper that I've already got on, but I would not normally wear it like this, but you could. It's potential, but you'd have to tuck it in, so just bear with this. This is the leather skirt that I obviously got from Matalan. It is just about enough room. I've got the label in there and it's poking me in the bum. Anywho, this is the skirt and I think it's absolutely nice. It's such a good length actually as well. It's really nice. It's really soft, because I have not got any tights on. Normally with a skirt or anything I wear tights, but this is just to show you guys. I think this is such a nice skirt. It's got lovely little pockets in it, really cute little design, extra. This was a size 12 by the way, and I think it looks really nice. So I've just tucked this little black top in it, just to show you. Yeah, it's cute. For £7. Now we're going to go on to ASDA, and the first item I will show from ASDA is this. This was a bit of a bargain. I literally, when I go in ASDA, I go mooching around everywhere. Food, home, clothes, literally everywhere I moved from to find some bargains. And this was a bit of a bargain, so I actually bought 2 of these, but I'm actually going to just show you the one because they're both the same. But these are from the CARPLAN DEMONCOOL antifreeze and coolant for all cars, mixes with antifreeze, just pour in. So it's already made. CARPLAN stuff is very expensive, very good, but very expensive. But this was on offer for only 50p. Maybe like just get it because sometimes you need it and you don't want to pay the price for it, because this would have been like £2 or £3 each, maybe a bit more. Or you know what, pick it up while it's only 50p, because you never know when you need it. Sometimes people will say that's bulk buying, but I only buy sell bits if I think they're good. I think they're what we kind of need, or I need for my car, or anything for the home. It's literally, that's why I pick it up. Antifreeze and coolant suitable for use in all vehicles, both petrol and diesel, which is really good, and mixes with all colours of antifreeze already in the radiator or expansion tank. At the end of the day, 50p for that is a little bit of a bargain. Mooching around again in the sort of like celebration sort of area, and I found this and I thought it was really cute for my gran. Just this little coaster. I love stuff that's plain and simple and quite nicely done, to be fair. And when I saw these, I thought, oh, they might be like £2 or £3. They wasn't. It just says amazing grandma on it. I thought it was really cute, and then it's just got like these little hearts, ceramic, and it's got this cushy bit at the bottom. Really nice coaster. Shame they didn't have like mum ones or dad ones, because they're really nice and I love these things. And this was only at the price of £1, which I thought was a really little good bargain. It was well made, and that's why I picked it up. And it's very simple design. I love a good simple design, not into like overcrowding. Love it. Just got some nice writing with some little hearts. I think it's very cute, very good design. Yes, I went down the chocolate aisle and I picked up these. I do love Reeses. I have tried them before. They're not like an over chocolate I love all the time, but when they come out, I'm like, I want to give them a little go. I saw that they did these in milk chocolate and they do them in white cream, but they never had any of the milk chocolate, so I thought, let's go for the white cream. I wasn't really that fussed which one I got, but that made me decide a little bit easier. These are the Reese's white cream eggs. They are king size, so there's like literally one there, and then you get another one there. 2 eggs, so they're just flat, and there is 68 grams in here. So these are the Reese's PB king size white chocolate egg tree, apparently. Never tried them yet, and I will tell you the verdict on what they are. But if you have tried them already, please comment down below and let me know what you think. The last item of this little mini Matalan and ASDA haul is, and I could not resist these. These are the cutest. These are right up my street. Not something in the garden section, but I thought, you know, get them where they're there, because you will never find them again, and it's extortionate sometimes, garden gloves. But why I went for them was, you can clearly see on here they have got little bees on it, which I think is really cute on both gloves. These are from ASDA garden grip gloves. They're in the size medium, and then they've just got the green bit on the main bit, because obviously you don't want the white bit because that will just ruin it, but it's just for comfort, that bit on your hand. But this bit is obviously for the pure of dealing with mud and dirt, for the green bit just to get a grip on it, and it's got good grip. And they were at the price of £2.50, which I thought was quite good for garden gloves. It doesn't make them that much each, and I thought, you know what, just get them while they're there, because you know what happened, garden season ago, you'll want them and they'll be hard to find. So I got them, and I love the little design as well. Unfortunately, that is everything from the Matalan and ASDA haul, the mini haul. Unfortunately, But I will be back with some more hauls. As you know, this channel loves hauls at the moment. I am absolutely bringing loads to you. As much as I can get a little bulk, I will bring a haul to you. Unfortunately, like I said, yes, this has come to the end. If you like the video and you like the content I did show you, or any of the items, and you think maybe I could go and buy them, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are new, come and join the support group like a lot of my supporters have, and click the subscribe button to join tazwells12 and the little love family, because you are more than welcome. Also, comment down below. I'm more than happy for you to comment, and I will 100% comment back every single time, because I like having a conversation with you guys. This video is not sponsored. It is out of all my own money, and it's just a advice video for you guys. I think that's everything. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I will see you all soon. Bye.